Hello and welcome to McLaren. Today we will talk about how to assemble your McLaren Single Speed Mulcher. Once you unbox your mulcher, you will see that you received the following components: one push bar, two push bar support arms, 4 bolts, 4 nuts, and the wiring harness. Let's begin the process of setting up your mulcher. To start, the push bars are sitting on top of the mulcher, secured by 3 bolts and 1 pin on each side. Before removing the 3 bolts, you should ask someone to assist you so that they're holding the push bars. Once the 3 bolts on each side are removed, you will remove the back 2 pins, causing the push bar to be unattached from the mulcher. The rear of the push bar support will then be lined up with the front pinholes and secured with the same pins you just removed. Locate the 2 push bars support arms and their corresponding bolts. The wider side of the support arms will be bolted to the middle part of the mulcher frame. The narrow end side of the support arms will bolt into one of the 5 bolt holes on the push bar on each side. This to achieve your desired angle. Be sure to place the bolts on each side in the same level. Once the push bar is assembled to your desired angle, you are ready to mount the mulcher to your machine. Once the mulcher is mounted, locate your hydraulic hoses. Begin by connecting the K-string line to your machine. Next, connect both male and female quick connect couplers. Now that all hydraulic hoses are connected, connect your wiring harness. Your hydraulic hoses will control your mulching drum, while the hydraulic door is controlled due to the wiring harness. The hydraulic door can be adjusted. This feature controls the fineness and range of the mulching debris. Now you're ready to start mulching. Go McLaren, go extreme.